So now let's see how we can utilize a plugin to transfer Google Photos to another account that you may have. So to go ahead and do that, I'm just going to go around onto my Chrome Web Store. So I'm using a Chromium-based browser for this, and with any Chromium-based browser, you can go to chromewebstore.google.com, and then you can type in transfer Google Photos to another account. So you can see that this is a plugin that you have right here, and you can go ahead and add it to Chrome right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, it says transfer Google Photos to another account has been added to Chrome. And now what you can actually do is you can go ahead and then utilize this out. So I'm just going to go around and open this out right here and sign up first. So this is multi-cloud, an option, as you can see right here. So let me just go ahead and then sign in first. So let's just go ahead and then sign in with my Google account right here into multi-cloud right here, just like this. And once you go ahead and do that, I actually create an account. So it says focus on transferring across cloud right here, and this is what you have. So you can go ahead and transfer multiple contents into multiple places right here, just like this. So now you can see that I actually have this now. So you can see that that is what you have. So now I can go ahead and create a task right here. So let's say, for example, I install that out. So now I can actually go ahead right here and then create a task right here to actually go ahead and transfer out the Google Photos right here. So now I'm going to choose Google Photos, and I'm just going to say add Google Photos right here. And then I can choose the account from which I want to add in Google Photos and click on continue right here. So I'm just going to allow multi-cloud access to all of the good Google Photos that I have right here, just like this. So once that is done, it actually goes ahead and then adds in the photos right here. So there are the Google Photos, as you can see. So now I can simply select these out right here and then copy this out. So you can see that I can go ahead and copy this out, and then I can do a cloud transfer as well. But let me just go ahead and add in another cloud. Let's say, for example, I'm simply going to go ahead and add in a OneDrive account, let's say, for example. So I can go ahead and then sign into my OneDrive as well. And I can simply go ahead and copy out from Google Photos to OneDrive as well. So let's just go ahead right here and then add in my password right here, just like this. So it actually says too many requests. So let me just go ahead and sign into my Dropbox, let's say, for example, right here, and then connect my account to it. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue with my Google account itself to my Dropbox right here, just like this, and then continue it out. So let's just go ahead, continue out with here, and then I'm going to allow multi-cloud access to my Dropbox account. So let's just go ahead and click on allow right here. And then what happens is that it'll be added in. So you can see that it says focus on transferring, and now you can see that Dropbox is here. So now I can actually go ahead and select these out, and then I can copy this too, and then simply choose Dropbox right here, just like this, right here, and then click OK. And then what happens is that it actually creates out a task to actually copy out albums, photos, and sharing right here on my Dropbox right here, just like this. So you can see that this is how you can actually utilize multi-cloud and transfer your photos that you have in your Google Photos into another cloud services as you want as well. And this is what you have. You can also see the detailed view right here, just like this, and see the transfer details right here, just like this as well, and see the process right here. So in a while it will be transferred, and then you'll be able to access all of your Google Photos in Dropbox. So if you want to do a quick backup, you're planning to change cloud, then you can easily do this. And that is how you can go ahead and transfer Google Photos to another account easily by using multi-cloud. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.